Today we'll be making a delicious Zarda rice recipe, so watch the complete video for step-by-step guidance. Ingredients: 1 cup basmati rice, 1 kaur 2 cup sugar, 1 kaur 4 cup ghee, clarified butter, 1 kaur 4 cup mixed dry fruits, almonds, cashews, raisins, 4 or 5 green cardamom pods, a pinch of saffron strands, optional for color, 2 cups water. Instructions: rinse the basmati rice under cold water until the water runs clear. Soak the rice in water for about 30 minutes. In a pan, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Add the soaked and drained rice to the boiling water. Cook the rice until it's 70–80% done. Drain any excess water. If using saffron, dissolve it in a tablespoon of warm milk and drizzle it over the rice for a vibrant color. In another small pan, lightly roast the mixed dry fruits until they are golden brown. Add the partially cooked rice to the pan with ghee and cardamom. Mix well, sprinkle sugar evenly over the rice, and mix gently. Add the roasted dry fruits to the Zarda rice and mix. Cover the pan with a lid and let it cook on low heat until the rice is fully cooked and the sugar has melted, creating a sweet syrup. Once everything is well combined, remove the pan from heat. Serve the Zarda rice warm, garnished with additional dry fruits if desired. Enjoy!